Guys, I'm Brooke. I'm Wes's daughter, and I like to see FPO, and I'm gonna, I mean FPE, FPV. Well, I'm gonna see how the video is gonna look from in this. So I might look kind of weird if you see me. It's okay. I haven't turned weird or something.
Okay, you ready?
Okay, here we go.
All right.
It's Brooke, Dad's daughter again, and my dad's drones are cool and awesome, and I can't wait to fly with him again.
You
right,
gonna
Dad?
come back with me next time?
Yep.
Okay, you having a lot of fun?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, bye.